Pacific with thunderstorm warning.
Northwestern Denton County in north
central Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanger, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denton, Sanger, Crum, and Ponder. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 481. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.